Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add public details to your Facebook profile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Facebook application on my mobile phone, and then we're going to go to our Facebook profile. We can click on these three lines on the top right and then select see your profile. Okay, and then you can scroll down until you find the edit public details, and here you'll be able to add your public details to your profile. You can customize which informations you want to display on your profile. For example, I'm going to add details about my current city, workplace, and also hometown, and also the relationship status. For the current city, I'm going to tap on that, and then I'm going to wait guys. Okay, I'm going to select this one, lives in Yogyakarta, and for the hometown as well, like this. You can click on edit if you want to edit the detail. And as you can see guys, my current city is private, and I'm going to change it to public. I have added information about my current city, but I make it private only for me. So I'm going to edit the privacy. Okay, I'm going to make it public. So the information will be displayed on my Facebook profile. I'm going to make it public as well. Okay. And then if you want to add your work, you can click on work right here. Just add work, and you can add your workplace. And don't forget to save the information after you add the public details to your profile to save the changes right here. Okay, now it's done guys. And as you can see, all this information have been added to my profile. So public can see this information. If you want to customize it again, you just need to go to the edit public details right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add public details on Facebook profile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.